so jibbing done, plastering done, electrics all done. What I've actually been doing the last couple of days is getting this, this is a proper dust brush, and just dust, getting all the dust off the walls. It has been a mission. As luck would have it, my parents recently redecorated their bathrooms, and they've got a ton of paint and stuff left over. So that kind of forced our hand as to what colour we were going to use. Luckily, my daughter likes blue. But before I start having fun with that, we've got to put on this stuff. Wallboard sealer. We are going to be having some trimming all around the windows and around the bottom and up the top there. I think they're called Architraves or something. But anyway, so yeah, it doesn't matter too much if I don't get right up to the windows. For reasons unbeknownst, this is so satisfying. Hey, so today's mission, I'm going to start painting the ceiling. I've just popped some of the lights out of their sockets there so I don't paint over them. But yeah, as you can see, I've done a complete first layer around the walls. My dad hasn't completely finished all the door surrounds and everything, but he is doing magnificently so far. But I'm going to start painting over some of his handiwork too, just around the edges and stuff. They're all going to be the same colour as the ceiling, white. The walls are going to be slightly more bluish when I've done with them. When I say white for the ceiling, slightly off-white. I think it's called pearl luster. But yeah, again, this is stuff that has been kindly donated to us, that has been left over, but it should be plenty to do our roof, ceiling I should say. So So yeah, that's brilliant. That's been a money saver for us. Okay, so that is all the top part done. I've done a couple of layers of paint on the ceiling. Sorry, the camera shut off on me and I didn't realise, so you know. But so the next step, I'll be painting all the window surrounds and the wardrobe, and then I'll get to start bluing the walls. My dad's still got a little bit of work to do on the outside, but then we'll be all ready for carpeting and the opening ceremony, so stay tuned.